minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. And f of x is x minus 2 when 0 less than x less than or equal to 2. And h of x they defined as f of mod x plus modulus f of x. Okay, this is the function h of x. And now the problem is minus 2 to 2, h of x dx is equal to how much? And we will define h of x, we will construct h of x between the functions. And first limit here I am showing, and second limit here I am showing. Second limit means piecewise functions. Between minus 2 to 0, how it look like? It's a constant function, minus 2 to 0. And from 0 to 2, minus 2 to 0, take a look at that first piecewise function. F of mod x they are given. F of mod x. F of mod x means how the problem becomes for the first limit minus x minus 2 and plus 2. Of course, it is minus x for the first case. And for the second case, 0 to 2, f of x was defined as x minus 2. So you can, mod x will be same, x minus 2. And for modulus of f of x value will be plus 2 only, 2 minus x. 2 minus x, it will be 0 for this case. So this is the first case, this one, this definition, and this definition here accordingly. So from minus 2 to 2, what is h of x? We redefined h of x as x, okay, dx. And plus from 0 to 2, h of x is what? 0 dx. Of course, 0 dx is 0 only. You can remove that part. Only x square by 2 for x. X square by 2 under limits minus 2 to 0. So 0 square by 2 minus 2 square. Okay, they are saying, okay, fourth option is correct, plus 2. You can take plus 2.